Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to send DMs on X. So if you also want to send DMs on X, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch upon Twitter or X. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. Wait for the application to load. You can see over here Twitter or X has been opened. Make sure you're logged into your account. Initially, you'll be in the home interface. If you want to send DMs on X, it is very simple. All you have to do is look at bottom. At bottom, you'll be able to find several icons over here. Right now, home icon is selected. In order to send the DM, simply tap on the envelope icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. From here, you'll be able to send the direct messages. Right over here, you'll be able to find the message icon. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll have to choose the person to whom you want to send the message. You can see several profiles over here. If you want, you can also search for the profile. Simply tap on the search bar that you can see right over here. Now search for the person that you want to send DM to. Or you can also select from the list. Simply tap on the profile of the person to whom you want to send the DM. Now you can see over here chat box will be opened. From here you'll be able to send the message. At the bottom you'll be able to see the message bar. All you have to do is tap on it. Now type in your message. Now all you have to do is hit the send button that you can see right over here. Now after that the DM will be sent. I'm not added to this person right now, that is why the DM is not being sent, but your DM will be sent. You can also send the photo and GIF if you want. You can also record the audio and send. So like this, you'll be able to send the DMs on X. So that is how you send DMs on X. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.